conversation, Dennis, and that's exactly right. In my district, it's secure the border. In my district, it is get together and let us decide what the main tenets of a plan will look like. What will that look like? I don't know yet. We don't know yet. Did I mention we need to get into a Republican conference and hammer out all those details? But I'm not going anywhere until we get a secure border, like Dennis said, we were promised in 1986. What's that old saying? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. You know? Well, let's not let this happen again. Let's get it right this time. It is too important. There's too much at stake to try to do this haphazardly. And quite frankly, to throw out questions in meetings like this and expect an answer until we all get together and hammer this out with a lot of reasoned discussion and thought and what it means. We don't know what the answer is yet, but I know what the answer isn't, and that is to throw a bunch of stuff on the wall to see if it sticks so that we get a bill like Obamacare. That is not the answer. Would y'all agree?
Yes.
Secure the border, follow the rule of law, fund the secure border like you talked about, Dennis, and let's go from there. It's important. Let's work at it. I'm committed to work at it. I will stay in D.C. for as long as it takes on the weekends. Thank you.